everyone, welcome to the Science Funda where we make learning fun and easy. Today we are going to learn about an essential biological process called micturition. Have you ever wondered how your body knows it's time to pee? Well, let us know about this in this video. Micturition is a process of release of waste from our body in the form of urine. This process is also called as urination and is performed by the excretory system. The human excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, an urinary bladder and an urethra. The renal artery and the renal vein are both connected to the kidneys. Let's first briefly learn how urine is formed in the kidney. The oxygenated blood enters the kidney through the renal artery. The nephrons in the kidney filter the blood, remove waste and excess water to produce urine. The blood that is filtered turns out deoxygenated and is moved out of the kidney through the renal vein. The urine that is produced by the nephrons of the kidney travels down through ureter into the urinary bladder where it is stored. The urine is excreted from the urinary bladder through urethra till a voluntary signal is given by the brain. Now let us learn how the mechanism of micturition works. Firstly, the urine is stored in the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder will not release the urine until it gets a signal by the brain. The signal is initiated by stretching of urinary bladder as it gets filled with urine. In response, the stretch receptors on the walls of the urinary bladder send signal to the brain saying, "Hey, it's time to go." This signal is known to be the sensory signal. The brain passes on motor messages to initiate contraction of the smooth muscle called detrussion muscle of urinary bladder. It also sends signal to the urethral sphincter to relax. The contraction of urinary bladder and relaxation of urethral sphincter takes place simultaneously, causing the release of urine, which is called as micturition. On an average, human produces 1 to 1.5 liter of urine per day. Once the urinary bladder is empty, the detrussion muscle relaxes and the sphincter closes, stopping the flow of urine. This neural mechanism that causes micturition is called micturition reflex. Micturition reflex is controlled by voluntary and involuntary mechanism. The external urethral sphincter is under the control of voluntary control. This allows you to decide when to urinate. This means you can hold your urine until you find a washroom. Involuntary control. The detrussion muscle contracts automatically when it is full. The internal urethral sphincter relaxes to allow urine to flow. And that's micturition explained in simple terms. Let's have a summary of this. Firstly, urine is stored in the urinary bladder. There is stretching of urinary bladder as it gets filled with urine. The stretch receptor on the walls of the bladder sends signal to the brain. Brain passes on motor messages to initiate the contraction of smooth muscle of the bladder and simultaneous relaxation of the urethral sphincter. And lastly, there is release of urine, which is called as micturition. I hope you learned something new today. Next time, if you are going to the washroom, you can always say, "I'm going for micturition." Alright? Stay curious, stay scientific, and don't forget to drink water, but not too much, or you will be practicing micturition all day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time. Thank you so much.